Hey guys, welcome to today's video. For this video we're going to be making a dog leash station. So what you're going to need is like some type of board or base that you can use for putting everything on it. This used to be an old towel rack like to hang it, but as you can see it's dirty, so I'm going to use that. And then you're going to need these universal tool hooks that I got at Dollar Tree. And then you're gonna need a hose clamp. You're gonna need these. You don't need these, but I got these bags for picking up the dog's poop when you take them outside. And this dog collar, I just got it, but I'm just gonna hang it on here. A spray paint, any color of your choice. I got white. And a jar for the treats. I'm gonna put treats in here. I took off the lid part, so it's just gonna be like that. So first things first, you're gonna have to spray paint this whole thing, and I think we're gonna go ahead and put these on so you can spray paint over it too. These. So first we're gonna lay them out how we want them. Okay, when you have everything laid out how you want it, just go ahead and drill them into place, and then after that you can spray paint. Okay guys, so it's the next day and I already spray painted this completely white. The next part that I'm going to do is totally optional. I'm going to be drawing Balto's name and like some other stuff here, so that is optional to you guys. You can do whatever you want. Okay guys, so this is what I drew. I put Balto and I put a bone, but it is kind of funny looking, but that's okay. And I put some paws, and then I put polka dots, like black and white ones, since he is a Dalmatian. Okay, yep. So I'm just finishing up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hang it. So I decided to hang it beside the doors. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of the leash station, leash rack, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so right here I put the jar with the treats, just these little canine hot dog treats. They're like $1. And then right here I put the bag of the little thing, dispenser of dog waste bags, and then I just clipped it onto here, and you see, so when I go to grab one I can just yank it out. And then right here is the leash, right here is the collar and a toy. You can hang whatever you want on here. Oh, and everything was in total less than $10 for me, but if you guys don't have a jar then and you don't have a board and you don't have some stuff that I already had, it's gonna cost you more. But this costed $1 at Dollar Tree. These hooks were a pack of 5 for $1. I got this at at Home Depot, this hose clamp, and it was like $1.60, like $2 I guess. A jar could cost you $1 at Dollar Tree, and a board, I don't know wherever you would get that, but for you it would probably cost you under $15, probably under $10 still. Oh, and I bought spray paint, so that was $5. Yep. Yeah, so I hope you guys found this video useful. If you guys want to see a lot of videos about my dog Balto, I'm going to be making some videos just about him. Yeah, so keep that in mind.